Joe Daly back with Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
We've been talking about living in a toxic family and sometimes being much worse than going through a divorce. But
Yes.
you know, if that's the situation for a lot of folks, and we know it is, everybody has free advice. Everybody wants to come up and say, you know what you should do? You should do such and such.
Right.
What should these people be saying?
Well, and here's the thing. This is actually a perfect prelude to my just pointing out that person I suggested earlier that I'm following on Instagram, and she follows me as well. She has an outfit counselor, actually wrote a book as well, I believe, out in California named Lindsey Ellison. And let me read you a couple of things from her
I'd like to hear
Instagram
this,
page.
yes.
Things not to do in 2020. Your ex. Find your truth. Listen to your heart. Pave your own way. This life is yours to create. Become a money magnet. Break up without being broken. Your wellness after a breakup. Magic words to get you what you want from a narcissist. Keeping cool when dating. If you walked away from a toxic, abusive, one-sided, dead-end, low-vibrational relationship or friendship, you won. Now, this is from a counselor. This is what your counselors and your support group are supposed to be telling you. Not necessarily about the divorce itself, but let's focus on the relationship. They need to be telling you something like, that's not right. If you can't live your best single life in a relationship or while you're married, then you've got to take a long, hard look at what's going on in that relationship. So again, what they should be telling you is if you're in that toxic relationship, you can do it. You have the courage. It might be time to reevaluate. You can get out. Divorce isn't as difficult as you believe it is. And one thing I tell a lot of clients, and I said it just the other day, is you think that this divorce process is the beginning of the hard part, when the reality is the toxic relationship was the hard part. And if you made it through to the other side, you're through. That's the hardest part, to get yourself out. The divorce process in comparison to that is easy.
We'll find out more next time we get together with Dennis. In the meantime, please visit Dennis's website.
drvetranolaw.com.
Dennis, thanks again.
Good to see you, Joe.